Hey everyone, friends, this is Valor on the channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do if you forgot your TikTok password and how to recover it. So let's open up any browser and type TikTok here. Let's go to the site. Alright, so let me log out of my profile. And when we log in, we'll see a login form. Okay, and then we'll choose the phone number or email address option, specifically the email address. And here we click forgot password, then we enter the email address here, and send the code. Yeah, we'll enter it here. We complete the CAPTCHA. Go to your email and enter the code here. Now, in my case, well, this account is purely for the video for testing purposes. And we'll enter a new password here. Then we'll click login, and that's it. This has been Valor with you. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.